your belly.
How are you on my stomach?
Turn over your belly.
Roll over.
Roll over to your right. Roll
Back up.
We're not even with my cousin at BP.
You're under arrest.
No,
Turn
I'm
over.
not. I was with my cousin at BP.
And you're not allowed to be at the beach.
I don't care. You
Turn over. I'm gonna pepper spray you. I'm done playing. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You don't have to leave the car, please. Hey!
Do not bite me.
Don't make
I
it
didn't
worse.
try to bite you, so stop
Don't make it
lying.
worse. Don't make it worse. Just
Baby girl. Baby girl, please.
you're okay.
Bush, can I get a hand?
Baby girl, don't make it worse. Baby girl, don't make it worse. I know. Watch where you put your knee on her.
Alright, let them do their job. Okay, come here. Both of you guys, please let them do their job. They'll do their job. They'll do it properly. They will do it properly.
She's throwing up, guys.
I know.
As you're putting
I know.
She's fine.
She's fine.
She's fine.
The four people she's robbed this month would probably think different.
Officer, you guys are good. Appreciate it. Absolutely. You guys are good.
Bitch, you gonna make me. Fuck you talking about.
Stand up.
I'm not standing for shit.
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, that's full resisting. Boy, that's resisting arrest. You can't do that.
I got the camera.
Johnny,
I got
you
the
can't
camera.
do that. Lesson to be learned right there. Never resist arrest.
Fuck Alex, fuck Pat, and nigga fuck Bob.